this is your first How to Speak Jamaican tutorial with Mac. I know that people are not traveling right now and we all have to stay home and stay healthy. But I thought it's a perfect opportunity to sharpen up your language skills so that when you're on your next trip, you can be comfortable in the local language. Now, this is How to Speak Jamaican. And let me just clarify, English is our official language, but we do have local patois, which is broken English, which is spoken widely throughout the island. And I know it is a great opportunity to learn about somebody's history and culture and customs by learning their local language. So I got you. I'm here to teach you how to speak Jamaican. Today we're going to concentrate on greeting. Now there are 3 ways that I'm going to teach you to do this. The first is Whah, gwaan. And I'm going to break that down. That's 3 words. Whah, gwaan. Put that together. Whah, gwaan. And that means, what's going on? It's the same as saying hello or, hi, how you doing? Whah, gwaan. The second way we're going to talk about how you can greet somebody is, how you do? Again, that's 3 words, 1 short phrase. How you do? How you do? How you do? And in English, that means, how are you? How are you doing? The third way we can say hello or interact with somebody when you meet them is, you alright? That means, are you alright? But not in terms of, are you sick or are you not well? It just means, you alright? Is everything okay? So that's it. That was your first lesson on greetings. Join me for part 2 of our series where we're going to talk about how to ask for directions.